Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a unique car. It's a 72 Dodge Demon, and I would guess it's a GSS clone. So that's a Mr. Norm's GSS. They put Paxton Superchargers on them. Didn't do very many of them. It was the days when the big block was going away because of fuel. Pretty nice car though. 340, real 340 car. Got the tack. That works. Got a sunroof, one of them crank sunroofs. I have a Dart that has the same thing. A few chips here and there. I'm sure the paint's a little older, but pretty clean car. On the other side's got a little bit of bubbling, but there you can see a couple chips. Good shine on the car. They got all the badging. Trunk was clean if you see the pictures. So a nice restoration. One little ding right here. And then right here was that bubbling, which is pretty typical on Mopars. They get paint prep issues more than rust, or a little bit of rust in there, but there you can see the good shine on it. So, cool car. Interesting build with a Paxton Supercharger. Doing that for you Mopar guys that know them well. Probably know more about the Demon GSSs by Norms than I do, but pretty neat car. It'll come with these are steel belted radials, so that's the correct look. Or steel belted tires. We're gonna put some new radials on it because with these on it you can't hardly drive it. Typical bias ply tires. So we'll have 2 sets of wheels with it. 605-695-7391.